sumdwe asem won beti ase no wa ma sumdwe kwan anase after no achi no ede ebiem na aka a ye behu da sumdwe ewo dagbon ote sa no pay na ye ne aid Emma Minister for Agric easy for Hassan Edin komo wo se wo mo abra enuane bi enobaye anase atosode na sa atosode we no ai se makwa abusuani mu no carrot abusuani mu no cucumber abusuani mu no na afi haban no se alefi ayoyo bokoboko ademe eni nuanu mu no enkontomire ka ho aha yesi ebi ono mo de kwa na yese mo awewe so no ayese yare ewom se de yekodwa so yekoto ayehu na danda na yeja ne ho no nti omo de omkom se omo aye interceptions ombrofo no interceptions omo aye bi wa ebi wa manone omo kan ti efi memenda ekwe no wo mo ebehwe se sa eniama ye de kosa na ya transensen for now tenye sa wo de kwa wo betimi di akokra na ye be yi but o ma transensen sa fe mu kodi nkomo ansa eye ebre a ye gipa expert promotion for authority ani abre so se omo hwe se omo be peja eniama de kwa amano ne koton nim ti ye be kan mi enu asie ni sen New Companies Act efi 1963 what 179 no ye nya act bia fa company ho na ada wa cheche se samra no from 1963 na enu an da so ye adwuma sa abre nti amafo hu ni so samra no de na asisine no tokrontokro me ne current marketing trends ahodo the companies ahodo eba sui enti ye benya foforo 2019 de eno na kane AGI pani owura tonyotin je sise eye ebeboa ebi no okra na won hihye achi ampa nso amayonfo mko biebie companies won de nkrofo akọ hihye na aye shadow owners eni ade eni shareholders enti o se ebema ye hu companies ni wonwa wonum hihye mu nyina amanfo investment akam ama womusu ewo Gold Coast Securities interesting happening and say group chairman Emma Group Indium and now group president Emma Group Indium Dr. Parko Indium a catch Gold Coast Securities for ne say and now Emma refuse Gold Coast Securities no eka group Indium nyuma kono and wa catch adwuma for na say management ni wonu mo hwe so no say mun kokot aban de mo kan krofo kwaje mo investment a omo se aban de ka nipa ne so be investment no nim se woni aban wo contract bia ana aba aban busia oba aban busia kwaje na fa ne sika ma no ti ama amanfo ho meti wo mo pa e na wo makasa ma ne de group chairman say de Gold Coast Securities empanyi for kanya de kan no sa aban de wo ka kokot kwaje usika samaya aban ju usika na tua customers ne ka. That's an interesting one. When it's maybe doing come but and then PDS in sense some so wo menya krobo no yetia ye ama MP or lower menya krobo peace accord wo mukosan ye be baby mukosan na ne dia ba beto so menya krobo peace accord wo mukosan ye said ye be ya PDS any your man for betumi atena so dwem kan wo betu yo mudi bi ache any de wo mu no wotimu bi enti ye be ma na mayen agreement no mu nsem eni said ye sitie wo ba yesu etete say afi kra de politics e bem ebi so na ewom dada na enim ti wo mbeche ye mu kakra me yate ase ye ti de no so aka ho enti ye wo honorable member of parliament mo man for wo lower menya krobo honorable Ebenezer Oklitey Larbi ena afi honorable member of parliament emo man for or Waterma West na oye Mother's Day chef Oye Deputy Minister for Trade and Industry, Honorable Carlos Kingsley Ahenkorah. Omaka itimi kan Ahenkorah no crab bim say so abroflize bi. Me ranu mamu akwaba.
Yeah.
Na boko die.
Yeah, me ado.
Anope I say ma fam ho ma sheda o. I classic, ho aye fe pa. Ya da mo asenso pa. Honorable Larbi. Yes now what PDS agreement and sheshaye ni mo. Se si amaka ma na sisei.
Yo me dasi mechia ye tifo ni mo hweye na mechia lowa manyafo na madam wansi say yama ntiasie gradually this weekend ejuma me yan say me move from Asori to Asori.
Okay.
A year to a year say na mosque, to mosque. And I mean explaining she say no the year kwako any PDS kwako transit ama yeti e ho ase.
Okay.
Say you were right, any responsibility. And ye be hwe na amanfo no so oma ona part of the agreement no na PDS nso no aye ne de.
Okay. Meti asese na PURC wo ho.
The PURC in fact asem no me na me go down PURC because asem no start here no for 2017 ema ntokwa any normal basa bi kra see e wo so menya ema bi dum kra wo court me no kasa sisi ya then so no epeja sisi ya no de me decide yen say akoye say PDS nko an ani nkrofo no and it is wo problem bia say wo betimi de sie kra na they can hide it.
Okay.
Sanso na yen nkrofo no so no say yen so ye yemfo so bi enso a and it yen third party and so obi a free bia omra na me ometra two parties in them and you know ampanyampa ye call me call PURC you know o man fa nya agro immediately and almost sending information at come PDS for say mass disconnection na o mu ye no o mu hot na o mu hwe petition na me de buy no na yen solve you know because the equity any say
so boy my you agreement in the terms of agreement
first agreement ni say sir mass disconnection no ebe holding on.
Okay.
2 sir the police for call yes abasa ni nyina no ekọ ho no no me explain it am say because of the SCCC ninti no so the police ba ho no mo ana raise you know tension nti mu police for no nyai afin so no amanfo be ma kwan ama PDS for aba wo ho no aba be because of the AC ninti no wo so say for over a year wo go redeem it away ho no da nti no ye ma wo kwan na wo be redeem it no enna krom for no so no ya kan kire PDS say the notion say krobofo so mu ntua electricity bill no false or you be ne die some bonia ebia ababe pie wo mo hono mu a ema wo ma form that impression about us wo mo di nananam and it is not true ma kire wo mo sebi electricity by krum hono mu around 71 72 ya tua light bill until 2017 sa bill ya semi buy among for raising consensus I didn't know what the bill befu say here then abreye and it no eno so no mate ase they have only ejuma to so as leaders me ko na nyame nkwa na me ko me ni assemblymen ni we na ko as leaders of the communities no yen ko back na yen ni yen krofo no kudi nkuta ho na yen kan kire wo mo you know if indeed the yabe kan kire wo mo say ye no yen say yen tua light bill yetua but mistakes no by and am panso wo mo nkasa wo mo hwehwe mu a wo mo ye no wo mo hu say initially no the total bill and they were expecting to you know on the GFE Club 4 area on one was 192 million Ghana cedis. Woman kasa without coming to read the meters no. Woman katana say woman year woman balances near. Woman who say mistakes woman up to about 203 million Ghana cedis. Okay. I must say no. The bill are almost expected and quantum of bill almost expected from that area and I say standing 84.
And I make us almost say omo atiasia wavy.
Debbie
off over 100 million cedis now no. 84 million plus.
One class ye kasa yen kan say after cleaning of data no. Bill no a fee 192 no aba 84 million plus. Yes.
So it's not a case of your wavy.
Debbie. And you say wavy who say there was a genuine mistake.
Okay.
Woman can say who say in the process of handling data be generate any up say be 2 years ago.
Okay.
Now 192 and then woman yama aba into akase they will have access to the various homes. Now woman could redeem it.
Okay.
Woman redeem it now. There can be further adjustment. Because for a year, woman could redeem it. And yeah, the idea is no bar, the fact say, Mikra na minti say political meters, woman or Mukai, Uti woman ECG for no.
Okay.
One say chef projects here bar if a ministry of energy.
Self-help projects.
Yes, that's right. And woman the ministry in a contract contractors no.
Okay.
Into omo communities no mu wia. Then they hand over to the then ECG. Okay. Now omo picky meters no. Omo capture omo into the omo system. What actually happened was that as I speak to you no, there are meters I work on one. Woman nya bill krada. Woman nyina kan woman ye twetwe omo light no. You see no my dey tension about no. They could not capture these meters early. It be one up to about 12 months. And it for 12 months, one ban be capture. No be bill na ba. Let's see.
Na na say ye koye ni mu no ye say ye use postpaid meters. And many years back, 5 or 6 years achakra ye say oh obi o postpaid kra yes sano. Na ya man prepaid. And ye den na mo ho no de omuma o postpaid. So even if it's ada shepa.
Enye yenkwa up till now no postpaid no and that's what system no. But the can say we no the eco see what I mean the kasa no woman to me ready.
Okay.
So they say the woman up till now
it's how many years no more ready?
1.5 years.
Okay.
Perhaps
okay.
From 2017 he this year no. And no me bisa now no bisa wo say dey wo say wo kwa musuro.
Okay.
So we be kwa ye bibi because of basa na buy no.
Okay.
But I think say a very nice excuse mon there. A very nice excuse. But you see, the MA panel, me call me catch them say, in spite of everything, no, what we want, you know, say, asumdwe ebe adwuma.
Okay.
Because we share their course na a system failure. Say,
before our best system failure, so what can na PDS for asudie na nkrofo no so o masudie was a peace agreement in say.
The enemy can say first we say demonstrate it to PDS say ampa the year can say electricity bill no ye very responsible people ye tua ye to electricity ye betua
okay
ye usua ye betua ampa so kokrum ho no the issue about oh yes crop force wo muntua it looks strange to them seriously because ye tua light bills but the issue na buy ye no.
But when him say group be or hosa, you feel almost saying.
They make can say.
What is our group?
No, but they have even come out. I mean, who say, I didn't even know so my press conference. But I mean, who be say, say, they never say, my entire light bill.
I see.
But the Omo can say bill ne cost no. So they say, and no, near there, they were even if they said that, maybe well, I don't know. But what I'm saying is, maybe a member of parliament. You were paramount chief for her. You
are saying two things now. They said they didn't say that. Even if they said
no, what I'm saying is that what I'm saying is that say Omufo say Obi Akoka Bibisa. I am a member of parliament. You were paramount chief for her. Okay. If Obi the subject Bi Akoka Bibi, now you have doubts. And I say call the MP Nebisa and say because if there's anything me apart from chiefs no say me
okay
sorry I say
and for responsibility and one is omo betua bill no what about assurance say PDS adwuma ye for no bambo
I know na me ba ho no and na make say we have also given them assurance say won betimi aba ho e ba be ye wo adwuma e ba be ye bibia e wo ho no
mo ne mo nkrofo na kasa
ye ni oh ye kasa ye ni wo ma kasa e na make say enne no dialogue no said no ye ne ahimfoni assembly elected assembly members amanfo a omu kasa kire amanfo a omu ye den omu tie ye ne omu na ye adwuma no so the make say and so far look I've gone enra I spent the whole day me visiting mosques bia lower manya
okay
Saturday no me ko yi ase I met youth groups enra anajo as at 10:30 11 na emranti abegu me ho e wo fie na me kasa kire wo mo
enti we nyina we in the next 3 minutes so that no issue 10 minutes na we say yet it is a say political twist abam how does that one come in
minister the regional minister in sense bi o kan ye na enye pleasant I mean Gidi said even the party itself may not be happy with what the minister said because omo the issues we will remu. Now I wasn't expecting him as the regional chairman of the regional, RESEC, even if Omanya, friend saying information be
okay.
Warrant so babijina radio so now it was reckless.
Okay,
or say a crop of force, yes, and light bila. it's in Tia, you could twim.
What say was woman who been a catcher? What confirm from
and I feel what he went to market with no minister. I'm out for kuntoka pinche.
Okay.
In the midst of Ahenkorah, you know, where Jina Honomo can say, come of woman to electricity bill. Now there's nothing I free we're gonna apart from free SHS. Well, I mean trying to divert, you know, the discussion, you know, from the issue. I was take say, I'm pam. Yeah, me tea as no. Let me tell you, me bill during that period, no, me bill a bar, me honomo 9,000, you know, 9,800 and something. This month, me bill a bar, you know, 1 CD, 70 pesos or so. It tells you say, me bar Accra. A whole week, maybe a Saturday, Sunday. Sometimes when me come on more, may have meetings.
It tells me say Bibi were wrong, and it tells me say
yes, it tells
you necessary 1 CD.
No, you know, it tells you there's something wrong.
Okay.
So the big say it tells you there's something wrong because one CD 17 pesos. No? It tells you there's something wrong. And you mean I rectify it. I didn't.
But what one among?
Oh. So
one say problem the nipa na ye adwuma fun so beba enti ebre am for no problem ho no anya bia omo copy the for say eh ye bill see the e wanwa
mama can say me jiro you see another problem am dey two o menim say one say ye honom no ye wo Yilo municipality and ye wo Manya municipality na UCG no e one district one office no so many so they say say who bon who akusi now your problem with your bill now e say offer car now ba so many and naturally Ghanaians say na no obi ko ho no mo anything no omko na nipa ebu kwakotena ho so no kakra na say e bia o peta kwa ni bibia kwa o ma biom enti no one of the agreement aye no so say as I say animanimu ya wo mo be set up say makeshift office bi go ho no because what is going forward no what is going to involve ni say woman customers no e be deal one-on-one who do bill beba na ya hwe afen so ya gi atum say arrears na e wo ho no at least you be ma obi a minimum of 6 months
so they can have customer points and
points
customer sales
no and yes sales points because there are problems with the bills no
and yes but e be a customer center say be sure mo like omo wo Accra ha
beautiful the hair and no na woman agree say they are going to deploy you know some officers.
Thank you.
And you know, this is where you know
maybe I'm more
and I'm you know on the issue of politics. Say,
and no 10 minutes.
Minister, no, listen, Ghana, no, it is becoming you know too many, you know, where when institutions, I am mistake, I am from so. Na politicians abe gia to so and me no say tell me ba na me gajo omu go press conference say me na me incite among for say omu go demonstration
omu go press conference
MPP it is say no the whole thing is going to turn NDC MPP say PDS for ejuma bi say omu ya we are going to put that aside and we fighting each other.
Thank you. Honorable Carlos Zakwaba for the past 3 weeks I feel
tell every day man 3 hours in you with me can you know
electoral
but I'm in fasa kwenye so na menchia me persuaso for the west for na me nchia omuso mo hwe na in fact my reho say menua constituency BBC yes you hold na edi kan bono a won ahwere omonko ana say wono a won prepare adefa etu to be ametese course ho no sato makoma so nyame na enhwe won na onimu a ona oma areho bi omunyum film enye fe enye ade a ye di you know obi ade bitu no ho say yakubu obi tu na ye obi afri asasi so enam asem keto bia na asem bia anken fans e banasa but unfortunately enya kwa banasa mesre se busuafo ene omo mahwere mo adehye no omo nka omo akomanto omo yem na ediso ya mesre magana fo emfa sa adi enye omayosem me mpese ye beye na MPP NDC akobe huna the substance of the matter itself no na ayira me hunu ade bi e Ghana ha say one year careful 7th Friday or no you crack for them now person say me opa ma ba konya MPP ne ba konya DC asem no be fa different twist ma on one to sisi amonya ba bia ko na media me wa reshimu so mampani otisu ene so ade hunu ene dwumadi a de PDS for buy so mo medi ntino wa obeso ye no MPP NDC no enya dia ebeyi
okay
ene yesi MPP for ko press conference or chine yesi yulo youth for anase krobo youth for AEC yesi minua telabi edi eshechiri na OPP ankofoni ade mama yenya isa no ayasem na aba electricity for na omanya
mistake
problem omonye mistake aseja problem na problem no so multifaceted number 1 say electricity for say omoma postpaid meter na say omonya akwanya memory meter no eso omoma estimate na omoma estimate na kopem time one omenya kwan kwa ready ni atidada na frifufuro ni ehun ahe wo enti calculate sika wi ade watua bia na ye de
enti omo hyehyeye mu no saa net
normal
na omanfo no so ni mana afisempem bebre ni ya na estimate ni wo hwo enti nipa ni hu a na ite say ayamhye ne abufu adiafra
sister o say estimate na nkosoro na say nipa no okokosisi na sa afi ekoba na say so tua sika bi na ebro estimate so ahwe kaso betua fofora ema so
baby you are never super because for instance obi obetua 200 ya man estimate 5,000
no your friend outliers in research friend science no
okay
no ye makomako bia na ebro so me akasa me ma suffer sa situation ni so me admin free eastern region
okay
and me group apataketo bia me wo and maybe it's in trade. I was started 2017. I started before 2017.
That's right.
If I started from 2015 to 2016.
Okay.
Now, me one me ba or tea apatemu a friend catches offer this man Bella Basel. This me akasa me friend. Eastern region a friend say regional director of electricity. What's that? Madam for a friend of also offer a small issue in Abana, ye resolve. In fact, I'm at the point I'm resolve it. I'm an yes, I'm to film near the Adomi film.
Okay.
I'm a do not go trial. But the one more, you have to see a film where we know. Now, Cobra Bansams or Quacobem. No, why
shouldn't they educate or man for no say bia ye de meter ne mawa, say ni ne beye, inti say bibia na onti asia. Bra,
yeah,
ye be cheche.
Wakasem, but solution in your car first. As a postpaid meters in you free ho. Nearly prepaid meters a call. Sending I and the Temano. Sending I and cry baby.
Most places.
Because postpaid did Nipada usually NAV. Obanas was won't be here. No one's will be like the free. Who you free more? One Casas and Obre who say mine because who he has open light up the whole of the country. And it is a waka could do lighting. Or no one for lightning grave not the touch share. Ubi abedu krumone on my issue. Na akoso was that a city and there kania kura ni haya wo fesu mu kudu akoso mumi enye won kwa wo mo to no kwa account minus
yeah
and the idea is not sitting down say obetrase na problem na bansa no won say me menye ni say menye ni say ye the postpaid meters no core prepaid meters no core ebebo an akwana so bebre so ni me pese PDS for no say ma mo nyusu previous methods na electricity for use na so many baba ye
ECG issue
no ECG thank you very much because ECG uses some methodology so what to be egi nya akwanya and as what be ya make progress anka ya form ama
yeah
since you do my bay for new methods of collecting this money mrem makwa bruchiri kakra and as when my bruchiri kakra me who say obi abe ready meter feeder. I don't know. Say yeah, was yes, small kakra ho kakra. But
it gives you a British
me put the better more to am so the ostu
oh come before dance here na.
What can I say the bit to be. Obi aye so man no nko tia light be on ti onko hu she.
When say what if film when we so be am kokoko so me meter. Me kwa bo me ni ba bi a meter wo.
Exactly.
Me chese me kwa me ma madwi mu da. yet say almost to one cause office send a paper cars and communia a friend satellite offices be almost to one office they know the kilowatts hour what spend there and what you should fee meter never banana bill never banner none what you paper now when you boy fee me grab me ready and you bohon my boss saying before say a memory and ibia banaye a quadro way of collecting electricity bills and I say of billing people when it comes to electricity usage. Yama for new methods. Abrofonomy and saying.
Okay.
And then me into be. Ube dena sa oba mebo no to a trap.
Say into me the abrophony and cry and fire prepaid, you know. Because now me case are prepaid that dinner all over Ghana way back me crash you. Almost the CIS son. In fact, to be no cry no my best son amount do card eja. 10 year pompo kwa kotabe guso.
Yeah, what the man on punishing.
Oh, and Yamonkwa, Ketchman Bunu is I checked before I check somewhere and sa and your days baby. But be fun say oh Harbour City at least you can see you know baby a per capita was through Ghana Hanuma a hurry a hobba me van say Muna needs to na momoka was through
and you know a grofo individual me van say car e wo ye ho say any other ordinary place apart from ya be makola and I be some place so the ba ho a me for say nyapa
but me say ya lucky no say ye shetemase
and yes,
and I said, call matches. I wish I could my so the uncle was by no mamma baby.
Oh, say,
but my main fact, Mimreka crack and soon Fencase, Honorable MP, Mestre. Yes, we have been my baby, Kujao. And Nippers was a wheel, isn't be so you boom. Mestre, Minianum Ramani, and Ranti, and Mabawa, via Zomojange on Naswa. Mean to minimum penny at the other, Mama Yai Sadiano. Say in semi by is the Capedias when your mom could redeem meter and come on for police for Mamma says, Sissy, Obiaco Renenqua. Or they share money back over Renenqua, Yaqualak 12. And as will be Johnny baby. Normally say happens, one woman go causes her issue. No, a turning count, and you will be Johnny baby or Tony Muku. And as will be obtain the body at to chain.
Or chinning queer, and
Messer, sir, you know, Yanny, man, my any Johnny in the scene. So go in a sir, and who resource and Albany. As some way said goodbye and come to Mwasi. Emanka will lead as the MP. Nanka what they or Hinku Kukui su home, and a mummy no crab would be mobile minister ho, I won't cry her, and the kind. I mean, sure about now, Uncle Twitter. PDS, be free on my office. I thought be how many industries be now on no many challenge. It be na friends, in fact, I did work of electric cost no higher than normal. And I say, yes, now industry so what the crab can let us to one aboka. Go already no monthly no why in the budget. Or day in production. And this is what your electricity bill of 600,000 and 500,000 a month. Now, we go chimney kakana 750. 150 is free baby no bishim. It's always a problem. And you from so no transfer, they are so reasonable. Uno mukasasemi on capital bians when they listen to you.
Okay.
Intimacy, you look robo youth, any friends say, mania robo youth. Mama may for 2 minutes say I answer. Mama ye who say you will leader way or you're very capable. Ye no hono so you're very strong. A coco buy or so jay and a PDS for 2. A friend a transformer can say great one and my crew in our co edumi.
Okay.
Or to me, they have the power. Mekai those times they post speed. Some of you some be redeem it and some be disconnecting our mistake or throw on my phone. I would up as an on cramano and also go through pool. Now we're to frame. Enti mommy nyai sa to me 7 on it. Man, you say na ye mano change and change no a tuna mama ball. Esa
okay. And on that note, mommy and can peace. Chiponi, Vice President Akokache almost say, or mummy no she, Conco Mani Chokusi phone she sasum beba. And so I did the beer two or food the beer beyond a foot no. Young to me, fa. She say for food being more concerned. Last week, I say committee of eminent chiefs. And you sign for more because Chiponi say me so. Achepa.
Yeah, I am my reho. Say baby, a draper will be say 21st century now. Ubia praise or becononym. na yenuan me watch poni ana sa mantem no omo da so te sa te bianim na ne metin no makao mentem ho ase na abo no. I don't know whether omo realize say e wi ase nyina na say Ghana e konanim jawo e tokwa ben je say e da asem ana nti ubetumi akwa pagya na wo dia so onua dan na hye wo hye dan no ono so aba be pe no dia so rim na wa hye no mu wi ahe na mo beda na medwen ho amente ase say yebu bebe say ye de ohoho na kyekyere man bitu esa betafrache me crew man kaza me yesho se matra more than 1 year kura continuous da eni na namsani aba be pi bebe api eni teacher ni bi wo post da ko kyere poni a onko who hospital now the doctor ba hol ma and he is right to say what ma would the secondary school on na say enkola computer pursue onko they have a right to say they won't go. Look at what is happening there. Say asemba na say ejokwe popopo na so bi atwa America ko no of afia akola na ba beto boarding house one service address boarding house kra wo ha ehfa no bedwane akọ o teacher ni a ye na free enkawe anas ye na free clico so onkonko kira de wo no ehfa no befa. And so people are right to say wo mama ho na so anya ho no so ama ho so development e bomo. This is what you are supposed to think about. Edenko me kan ye pressure on mind ye be fight poverty. Ye pressure on mind ye be fight hunger. Ye pressure on mind ye be fight say ye be develop yanka say own. Amemu papa Dr. Baumia ni boss nana adodan Kufuado ediaba ne ye free a friend say SHS ye de one village one dam aba kan mo beduanya dam bi wo hono mo dia yam nioma ene me no ka say this month here say I think this month here Minister of Agriculture kwa ye rain for food and jobs esro hon mo afreze tamale hon mo baby northern region and okwa kate omkwa launch sa project umpe we na apede bibia tamale ana say a friend say northern region
dey ba kasa chani afutu ni dia afibia say ye ka afibia ntokwa be nti die na ye betimi a wo hwa ye kasa kire no
say kasa ya tra kasa kire baby edanka me bobo aba ho ba wo be wura ho ya tra kasa kire. I think say woman penny Minister for Interior, Defense, any security agencies nina. Yenti asujafo mu na enye search and destroy. Ensisa etu wo BFE. Sipo ni kro na say
sabe solve a problem.
Me say obi enkuratua, etu me kuratua me ho den sen. Me tu esa bita fracha me nkonto kwada.
Ba ye ko sese etu na asase na aye wesi media no asase ne da ho. Abufuo no eda so oyemu. Etu penny asase.
You have to start from somewhere.
Okay.
Say tune ni kura wa ma hu hu. But it means that cut you na ni airlines ni airlines ye. Ni friend say journey ade amudi agom de akode ni na. Ye parking ni na egu nchen. Na ye peja sumo a. Ye wi afi asem ye ho bia ni aka.
Na isatem ye je etu ton ni etu ye wo Ghana na.
And all this asem yi kura ba e be ma me ra ho mo because etu ye mfa se beta fra amwa he na Ghana etu bon. Hunters kura kan twi him saying
abomofo
se ne be dia kotopom ba hia komure and the said you na ye kradia ba ha no ye kradia be kum nipa because you ne the main purpose no say ye mfa mo nipa nku no ye mfa mo that drum and ye mfa mo speaker etu ye tutu kri ba nku wo print normal license say ye create you mre krum ha no ye to obi se be dey protect me ho. What are you protecting against? You are protecting against obi oba bebo and as obi oba and now you ankrofo ye dance bi o national theater yes ba akutwitwi na o twi
o ye titini papa be madada ye dance
ya me
ye VGM ya what
VGM mi kra bi ma de kro
kakava kase club cry was dance o ye titini pa
no ye ko ye no ye kam no
eti no ka ya na mu yo be madada o se o mo ye dance
o twi o de protection ho anke ba kikira be hu apu no akum nipa etuo ne purpose nse be kum nipa ebi ni hono mu a enye sa adwuma no enti nka be de betumi a anka yemfa na America for bro mo bre nyina eye gun laws a omo gumu so mu nyae a anke tiwo sesi no anka za gun laws nka je sa no mo ye no na nse so ma ba ye ba nipa bi enya mu sikedi ama sikedi kro no mutumi de pompishem ma ye kase ye de se no ma sorry ye kase no so nyina uko use na no mo ye gun friends association no meet a na hu se tai cruise pa and meet e wo Hilton. Enti what I would say is say first and foremost yen yi sa tutu ni nyina ne sa akode ne kura won na mom ya kwabra bansem no yen yen firi omsem we ansa na sa eminent na say committee dey be set mo to trans ya kire won say we is moving beyond war we is moving beyond conflict and woman my trans na yen wen yen say ne be ya kire poni arable land wo ho no ya to aburagu fom ana ya to mu agu fom na tumi fifim yen nya biadi amre mo church dey me dem ye sure say continue like this for the next 6 months 1 year a teacher for no be no obesan ko bi o post obi call say on free chronos on konko yedmo ho so onko then triple will be going backwards.
Thank you. Honorable Larbi, won so adwen you say yen kan say
yeah with the Mr. On say I've just come out of a conflict situation and you know say bibisa see o baby especially Adia be money pay wu ni adia a hardwin pa. But as I said, you know, a lot of the time, no, we miss the actual issues. And then the cost, no, it is not enough to go and tell them, say, oh, ajubre.
Yeah.
What is it that is causing the thing? And then they cause misunderstanding, no. Is it possible, say, you bet me a quack trans na ya issue, no? Na because at the back women say, yeah, Ghana Hanum, no. A lot of the time, no, yeah, you see a friend be intelligence. You know, Ghana had a year and kuntumpu and you know gossip.
And you know kuntumpu.
Gossip.
No yen sekuro.
En sekura emudu.
Okay.
Oh. Now unfortunately no. Yeah, I'm on 40 asembia. They don't even pause. So me kwa kubisa say asembia is it but because we are living in in suspicion you know. Say na obi be catch us say obi ehun say oh uni asimesi e bia na misunderstanding kakra bi o montem na obi catch us oh makun say o hihye bibi so ba be kun a you may not even consider say asimesi kra is it possible obi timi aya na so ntimi nye why you be react if it is a non to fuel a lot of your problems are here Ghana Hanmo hearsay people will not find out
okay
so they say yes I wouldn't be surprised say the feuding, parties, no, Oko Chiba, say, what are you doing? I didn't know yes, or General hear him. May not be able to tell you why. So they say, and say, we'll delve deep into some of these things. Now, what is bringing the mistrust between the two communities? No?
Is it just mistrust? Say, Anna say, and here say, you see, to me about the Yaka say, yes, no, because then yes, per se.
So they say, it will be a for who time that. And I could cause such a come over and everything be the person is just waiting for you to make a mistake so that the person will pounce on it. Now we'll go to the market with it.
And I hope the politicians will not take over. And NPP and this is
very well. Oh, if the Americans is here, I say, the issue is about electricity be a cost. What has NPP and NDC got to do with it? Because you are supposed to provide leadership, bro. Okay. What is important is you go and hold the institution that is supposed to do is what that is not doing. But you better than PROs for institutions, no. Because for instance, the whole week the minister was the one speaking on behalf of PDS. Where were they? If they have issues, let the people themselves, because they are being paid.
The whole man for say no more the sumoni bia boyen so nsentwo fon say a conference minister say we a sector minister one kasa e beka say hey ya friend minister
the American say we have gotten to a stage look DB omo directors no interview I don't think they went to the ministers.
Okay,
so the American say
your friend minister obetia ka say get to PDS
make sure and I say if indeed there's an issue you can the how close the minister debate and so set committees go investigate the issues in the world.
Okay.
So they say and what I'm saying is back to Tripoli issue no may say you can't land you can't say you can't win it may start with land but this time it has gone beyond an ordinary land issue. Okay. More personal obi because we fought over land anything you do create suspicion. Say, meaning say, Oba say, na, and American say, let's weigh what beautiful.
And now
so because we have not after the first fight, you know, we still harboring those things. So they can say, and anything America say, Ghana Hanuman, let's be very careful what we call intelligence.
Vice President ni omo akwa kasewie unu ade se ebe ya yen share tu no na face e better committee a mususuzu se yenye den
well yeah etuokra ni we no ni ade nyina no enye healthy de ye kan nyina no se etuo no wo ho na sem bie ni ho no ma you will not find use for it. But sometimes ho no ma tell okano once you have that means you are tempted to say the little thing you will be them okay. So the baby the other bay. So it's tighty regulations when it comes to a two near the end. Baby no more. We shouldn't allow arms to be home. Now say yeah baby cry. She said Ghana Hanuman. I say license near the man. The situation in the country should inform when or how we allow people to bring in arms. Okay. And then, say, even cry, you find say, Obi Accra, you find say 2016, Obi Accra 2, so the backroom animal. Yeah, trust your system. No, that is where, like I said, the security need here. And yeah, one day, when you event, it's a whole process. Everything beyond, it's a monitor. Because people dream to miss it. And it say, and then, you create you at the banner who said, say, the situation organ and it is not that pleasant. It is the Pakwan or the Tuno. Let's stop it. Sorry,
thank you.
And a lot of the time, you share the issue, no. You share issue, no. You just now you can't tangential issues are ebe before, ebe perpetrate before, ebe create more, animosity between and we think of a fight more than even resolving the issue now. Sorry, I see. Because yes, we pick on look. If we sit and the woman who could talk on, Opa, will be good no hot. My friend, why are you fighting? He or she may not be able to tell you, say, it is because of this or that. Or if you my former friend say, we didn't attempt, we so say, like it nearly happened in my constituency last weekend.
I see. Yes. Mamin ko Facebook and I share their phone so can kwesi obi just so be yeah. Before 2016 elections, NDC government supplied meters to most of the communities in Ghana freely without registering them and to the then ECG systems. Now PDS has given those people estimates to pay for the years they have used the meter. That is causing all the problems. It is not only Menya Krobo which is experiencing this, but some district in the Ashanti region is experiencing the same problem. Ohime and more social says, Honorable Larbi got an Ashanti proverb wrong. It is not Akoko Sacha Kroma and Yenife. Rather, it is Akoko Sacha and Yakroma Fe. Yeah, that's it. Chef Mano say, Atonsuya, it's good that the UN has appointed our former EC chairperson, Madame Charlotte Osei, to go and supervise the Afghanistan elections. I pray that she goes and come back home safely. And so Hassan Zangina Lawa says, so because of electricity, an innocent soul is gone. And to me, it's as if it doesn't concern anyone. Rest in peace. And as for the Chiriponi people, why should you fight each other because of a mere argument? Brother, you don't understand. Let's just leave it there. Glad is a FIFA. I think prepaid meters will be very good for the Krobo people to avoid problems. Sandra, good morning, yeah. Please, we beg our leaders to do something about how people use guns these days in Ghana. It's becoming too much. Antonio Benya Blade from Efia Kumansungu Takrade, PDS and the people of Krobo issue. I thought they said they have an agreement not to pay bills. This calls for investigation to find out who signed that agreement. Well, they have been paying since 1971, so that one just came up. Even there is no agreement like that. But I say initially that was what was going on.
Unfortunately, because we be near the they are running away, no matter hiding behind that issue. To run
so for now, we know that. Yes, sir. Even good morning, yeah. I always feel happy when our honorable our honorable members speak like real Ghanaians. Issues on board need to be dealt with as Ghanaians, but not false propagandas and lies to cover the truth. This is what we need to do and put party aside. And then Elijah Beltabo Sompim says, good morning. Yeah, you see how important we, the Greek students, are. It's only in Ghana they don't even respect we, their Greek students. I'm an Greek extension officer. Myself and I can tell you, Ghana doesn't respect we, their Greek students and the farmers as a whole. So, Charlie, expect more damage. Really?
What is it?
Who was the video? That's our next topic. Now we have this issue. Mofa Nosha Daily Graphica, Ministry of Food and Agric Ediaba, say my vegetables be leafy vegetables. So Ademe, Alefi, Ayoyo Kontomre, sa group no, a group of chili pepper, a group of the Omokano Lufa, a carrot, new ammonia adeno. Omonya interceptions. Now besides interceptions in the idea. Ghana ha entesi a wenye EU ban almost ansana EU besia ban here because almost left on ban 2 years ko anya mai be 1.5 years enti ansana EU be kasa osia ban here you know ye yankase ye take here measures ye almost o mabọ mu kokọ mu nya enti fi 1st June eye meme the yiko no saa ne ma no ye ma ye mfa bi mfri Ghana hanko cause interceptions so mu chemu a e bia okodwa so okoto abon sa awewe na ise emu ari so na sa ise yare be wom se wo musa bi on so na nu so se ade white bi wa ne so tini nyina yo mo hyehyɛ o maye but I bring o mo de ban ya ban so ye brea gipa Ghana Export Promotion Authority for so say nkomo pese o mo increase o mo export etie ye ne mi
the say you're very careful with the way we come out to some of these things because you shouldn't behave say you shouldn't pretend say ban ya wo ma ediabai it's Ghana phone na ati if we want media the me can say we'll continue to have vegetables we are infested with worms it will continue.
Why will it continue?
It will continue because it is natural. What we can do na say the phytosanitary systems now you need to go also remember certificate certificate them says Ghana Standards Board ni certificate clear say obetimi dia ko anything no sa enu mo na say agyen ye hyem kena na during the process of sorting ni ade na man for no be take that aspect no serious now we ma export to there clean.
I don't know how omo ye wo port honom no but say only omo kasa easy for last amene kasa from the ministry no kasa bi on omo ye no te say de wakoto je na nanto sida or the pecha ye no gu ase or the pro no gu ase no or the papa na gu show and I'm sure say if like say even 100 boxes of tomatoes enya ade omo be yi makoma kunte bi omo de be fast can mo to omo de form omo be detect kakra
very well. And I say, I believe say let's strengthen the regulatory aspect of it.
Okay.
Now you share quite a so if it means say fidini a big crowd say whatever because you see you cannot it's just like telling me say nipa be trans no when without Arabia one also. At a point in time no be yare.
And then no benya
problem, benya challenges so they say.
Okay.
And let's find a way. A bit me amma woman
a proper sorting.
Yes. I'm saying the idea never come. If indeed, if it is meant for export.
Okay.
So they say, and it yeah share no. But coming to the media, you can once in be brain. No, say if the out of the blue you see and EU, sorry, say as what TBC or person banning or sending information to. Whatever.
Oh, rather say take domestic measures into yes, well, now first ban no mum ama ya conscious of
and say yeni abrofu they omo bani ye normal for a lot of reasons. So the make can say obetumi can say I'm not saying say they shouldn't do what they are doing.
Okay.
Say they should handle it in such a way say omo fa amoma assurance to this counterpart in one business say we are putting in place systems a bit eliminate or if not eliminate reduce certain cost
Okay.
So they say. And you know, no, na me person we more emphasize on na yenhwe because they are mimi nimno uko export to plant parts ni we now you require a certain certification.
Okay.
Man for baba hwe baby a odi ade no store ni ade nyina na o mama krata say asmesi die enem ni uka say ube export fish na standard board for unclear wa untimi you for no fa.
All right.
They won't accept it into their, their jurisdiction. So how they call it? Let's look at that. Name build confidence in those institutions. You know, say the beya,
okay.
Na ya stop. Another thing is there. Ebusi for na omo ye sa normal no. Oh, that's why I don't know how people take it, but
they don't see it.
But by the can say, unim akokuno. Say wem.
Akokuno abemu akokuno.
Where did be that?
Mindi pida.
Okay.
My own documentary that was mindi pida.
Where did be that? Edepa. Wem. Tony Bengana.
Okay, what abrofune ni so no wem ana.
No, say yeah.
Larbi. It's a Larbi.
Larbi.
Larbi now growing.
Because oh yes.
Say oh no, or your science teacher. It's scientifically no. Who can because say Larbi? I say abuano na bosie. Afen wo benya ntakra na bibi.
Enti no de be kan say
menka. Yego.
Say my mention bibi kakra na say EU form banning exports of fruits and as a vegetable.
Oh sure.
They be EU banning. Ghana for and try say be some small adjustment interceptions we are making. If say yeah, send you maybe answer na say bi. Enti mesre exporters no. Say ekwan bia so omen empene and I in this abania abe.
So one so almost your mom mpene na o say ekwan bia because they have called for broader consultation. Omunim say Ghana. Mem say no mo hwehwe say nka nkomodie no bekọ achi na table no so be ye kese ama.
Sade we yem fan nkomodie no nkoso ansa na yabane.
Okay.
Ye ba be mu 2017. Na EU for banning ya yentumi fa go. If I don't ban as far back as I think 2014 or 2015.
Okay.
And on one kasa tamsi kaba Ghana say. Omen hunu problem ye wo. Say into me and identify sa anima we no bintino. Omo be church you may be a project here for the track project under the Ministry of Trade. On the terms of every 3 or 4 years. Na omo church kwan be faswa ye be identify problems name sa nyoma kitikiti happy. Ye mawo ye laboratories be 5 as a 6. Almost equip laboratories including even Ghana Standards Authority, just to identify some of these things. Not all my year and say, instead, say, Beppin Masani, we have a big drug, yen try to intervene. Say, Bayan Masani was here make a Ghana, and that I applaud them for that. And I also applaud PPRSD, a Plant Protection and Regulatory Services Department of Agriculture. So, to me, at video on form, identify we. The only fallout is the Ahenkorah Ministry of Trade. A year collaboration, and because we call a friend say articles no more. Authority to even place the ban, but it's okay.
So I place the ban.
It doesn't matter.
But more idea about the ban.
Government agency, I think say a mistake where a good mistake.
Okay.
What I rather want us to do is say what was said. Sa tomatoes ni mukuni adi no. It ensure ni.
Yeah.
Ensure na ebe form na nansi bibi ade be she form bia na it picks it up na ababejinem.
Okay.
And say one you careful no one for the right methods na je wefu na e pick all the strains of poisons na abrofo no mpeno. Me no me no de ye decide your lifetime na into 7th Africa dia enye hwe. Ono ni tobanto zansa na obedi kura no te say ebia ye dia hye bibi ma ayi bi me pe ansa na wadi no. Tolerate sir.
Yeah.
Omanya careful. No more pregnancy. You may be doing krumna on crofonidia. If epidemic BBC one, that's why they are always careful. But the message say, say Abrofui say, Omo identify BBC. And Omo want to some of the BB Ebakuma Bababo in terms of money funds. Oma Yankasa identify baby a pese SARS kanu mu channel sa
e mo de fa
na mo wan kasa mo fo mo pe gi enwan bi enfen hyensa asema me
me marry mfi so mo interest
but that is a challenge because BTA so bana ka kire me say when hunu aflatoxins and say when a problem me wo me tomatoes enti no wakwakofa obi afri Kenya and as wakwafa obi afri Malawi say o meye consultant na ya twa $7 million bi
and I can Burkina phone toast na omudua na different from here
me ba ho wakwakofa consultant bi man so mo ye no na discuss ni as consultant nsa na $7 million no to suru hu ni o de be rather than nya say sika no you bet me import to a better strain of product no and as crop no like Burkina for France for amount you bet me a better strain of that product no na distribute my farmers no amomet me adua
maybe omo ni gidie wo ye nkofo ni mu say they have done it before now from past experience omo so kofu e die o de momo a omo ni adwuma no say de penti e be fa ye nkofo aba e be fa ye consultant
na consultant no ba o be kire me na say be need a strain of tomatoes the maiden media o de kire me say o de a chemical we go tomatoes no so tomatoes no betwe no o de we share a form amoko no betwe no waka ni na yi no mate may then ma preventing from them to pulling that ingredient from the soil and basically no what we are doing now is to say ebema exports no as easy now you're finding out what is happening because the washa locally no even from the beginning of this year till date interceding and as intercepting 120 bad products. Near to be slipping through Google Drive, which almost me account to 20 no oh yeah I am bad almost the number of export neck I am bad into all my alerts keke but PPRS default me 120 last year when you over 200 and then there's something happening here as you're finding out what is
and to say last and say the PPRS the ban na be no something happening no moon cut down na moon koshe na number any day
time I brought for the boy in 2016 to 2017 on the track project no buy omo my be a friend of traceability and to say me fa a box of tomatoes me share batch number red ne one na it can lead me to the farm and even the group of crops I cut at that time no it be share box
e wo Ghana airport ha e too far that can now betumi a trace afuo kura simo
even the kwabuchi krapo
still
that's what we needed to do and the whole say full way na I infested now you quarantine you try to be to just and I'm getting to the next cropping your friends in season and a cycle say and we are na say a continuous and continue I can tell you the ban buy and only 2017 about only 3 now here the entrance man number anything yankasa you making sure say you are stopping organa here now but for no crown stopping now gradually we would trace this to the farm now we are happy or no 8 years of from now.
Thank you, but unfortunately 931 intiminka companies act one company guru so netie intiminka indium sika sem one I me apa what's name say just 1 minute yes
sir me gidi say the see wo micro no me de no be wie there were the course na man nipa ni wuye no abrantie no wuye no kra no bono onye obi a sebi oye even up here no kra no onye to onye obi a
stable
stable I mean wo krumo no ma de ye me nwanwa na ha me kakra ne say police for na wo shoot no kwa wo nim no because anywhere I got the amount for be gather bia no you see him around intino they could have taken
na local police for
local police for
ntina ka so mo ho so
and na de ekopie no so say at the meeting any PDS for koye no but for ka kire yen say PRC ka kire almost stop with disconnection on Tuesday and until they never brought any police to the area.
Wow.
Mama may disconnection behind whatever happened no the MC any common for our corporate police for buy and as I didn't see it. Sorry, I say. And Sena Okano, ye ma wo nyina yako. But mesre baby I do say na ban emfa ne ho shame because woman prepare no omo doso na ehun be hia say ye be bibi say na be ya da sa mark no entra wo team forever woman pra woman prepare ebinim ye maimed ebinim nan you know so be twetwe ebinim nan ne ade enti ne ye be say asem no de esi awie. Let's see what we'll do for the family. Let's see what we'll do for the injured.
Okay.
Thank you.
Honorable Ahenkorah, so last
words. Mr. Medium say, Indium dena mekabi kakra say,
Go security for
Go security for ni Efragian bank ni ade. In fact, omo manko for ehun achire won.
Papa.
Na miami nua babia. Ono ankasa se bitafrache ni kuni ha na kakra odi ababeja no so ka mempe nkonko twere na nkwala school fees so a makwankotia eni skama school fees nko
ko kra de omo ye
no frame kra na unsu
now
o come constituency a nipa ba me ho so mdu musika kwa kwhye kusuma ne akofa yayeni e de abre won no omo dos mesre papa kwesi ndium nya so waka no nkai no kure so obi do ka wo ko jim sika free bakro but ye dis ka ba beto no mo ankasa asem na nkyerɛn status ya die sika free aban ho ansa na ba betua oka saban do ka fine sebe obi on kwakra do kokotwa on bin ka saban de mekani twena ban twena mekani ansa na betua oka se wo sika bi o baby o dem so is kadi po cash pa se bank go do America I want to or bank papa kakrakapa o America ho chese sika wum on for kakra mfri America mra America sika wum kakra ba
na won kan kira ban se sa ban wo de ne car o no so adi to your economy no local entrepreneur ban tua ne car
oni momo na ban de o mka ekroma
se ka ni bi o ho na bi ya carbonic caprim
there be abanka de ntumi nya carbonic caprim dem na abanka bonte zo ko bobesia obi ade ma no abanka saban de woka that's a bobetia
okay
na se woka se enu nti aban sika odi minti no minti ya sika mawa anu no me mremo no me sure se
no okay
na se da ku bi en professor so support no mo seminar abegina wo mo dan mo ho no se ene one face ga my ye nkwa me hu bi social media
yeah
be say because share
pregnant woman up till now sek ya ye di bioji aye di customers na aye nkakra no phone na sen kumase na o my demonstration kakra honorable say omonya kan mu sese anka fe di obehu say regulators bebem enti say ya ti say ya I say bank na say security adwumakuo no ne nkonkonko eno wo ye na de open no de customers eye time by na regulators be mu say no we need to come in and our way it doesn't call for regulation
so regulators omo ni GM for no kwa ne kasa ye ne customers no kasa
enti oni GM ne kasa ma customers
oh yeah who say ya ti GM na ba savings and loan
okay
I say oni
Goku say
Goku dey a sec for the handle and
exactly my point because or your genuine investment firm obi ko your investment we won't see make say
Goku cannot come out distressed yes you want in the public eye but me sure say sec for no any so no Goku's are report to distress why was distress obi declare bankruptcy or bankruptcy in bankruptcy law Ghana in the affect the many times they don't want to do that
so they report the regulators cannot fish out information and call them that what is happening give us updates
well probably does not become necessary but if it become necessary that will happen now any Goku's from Kwa and Asadi at home unit securities they are facing the same challenge
okay
but Bebre facing the same challenge I don't know specifically what happened I'm to be Jim Crofosika
well
I'm also more liquid what Jim Crofosika after one face the man akwa than a chadi media message say the bet to me one can say a train about my bank baby when you don't know for my bank you know the akwa show
thank you Mira no me da mo ase papa
Misika wo
na so we gba me hu ni na mo anu so me hu ni o
Video. Go security. Na makoho no mu te makoho
men's go so
what is at stake now no our friends say go security. Oh na the one say me koho na the me ko hu ye no ko hu pregnant women I mean I want to yes akwa ma me ko me sefiri me ntina I just went back na the one say won kwa won kan no kran so nkyere nkofo no you go and sit there twen ye ba me say me ye na me tro check they got to one catch them say oh mommy 2 weeks be
I don't GM bank
no I thought say you have to deal with their do second befa on bank on and to be tro check to her.
Okay, but your investments, no, it will go coast.
It will go coast.
Okay.
It will go coast up to now.
And to see for me, I would die.
Any is Abreu. Okay. Now one go coast.
I will tell you. And to see for me, I would die when it's out. Would you not chana?
In fact, I mean, Miss Cano, hey, unim brami brands and I'm going to go.
I said I will see a feminine to me. Say, I check.
We go home.
A best sorry part 2020 or campaign of women's.
Oh, that's it. Let me catch you. My catch you says, campaign to do so, dear, my body. No excuse.
Fire for fire.
Fire look over you for call.
On that note, Honorable Oklitey Larbi MP Lower Menya Kropo and Honorable Carlos Kingsley Ahenkorah MP Tema West and Osai Deputy Minister Trade and Industry Miranum and Opeda was Papa. I was a forced and I make an M Sensoneto Achimota Haini Tessano dear. It's who Baba Sankwa Kra Kromwa na Ashe se Oberchampuna Senso nitia se metrophone boy kokko se ebre ewom ya no so no ebeto abasa anti usi abonte a na wanya hwe di kan chekehwe se eni obetwen kakra ansa ni mutete a na wapia ya na enu yesinse nso bekwa akoyiro ewo akwantemfe yade mo asi nyame yadomo ochena Adekye Nsroma besan aba ene upia di enso yi enye showers of blessings emma onyame nhua Osha onsanu adwuma omani siwiye na okra nya nigye na kaise oboa na ukoduru mpaso anadwo a ema oremfin so se ode na seda ebema no yakona mani yakram.
Nafa akuche wudwumadie mu a wote bre agi me kon Frangel P Ultra yaw no betu akọ usisi yaw ya hwese Frangel P Ultra nti akọkra wadi mfinhia aduosia ne akiri atumi akote fama fasika abra brand yete ho Frangel P Ultra Majin kwa ebe sakutodwemu yaw bolu bofo ni mrikatufo painters carpenters ene wonso a wotaya adwumadin beja wo bre no Frangel P Ultra nom pebenya nkwa etufo nkopoku Farmer Limited fumeswa fre 02020550889 Poku Farmer ya pomode faribine.
So who can say why?
Okay, sir, opportunity. Abrabo na bull say.
Anyamio. Sana abrabo edinya bewie.
Se wo hu.
Madam. Opportunity the bread. Oh, opportunity.
Hello, meeting Disika. If we best pension scheme. Obidi mochina sentini. The area ne say